Good morning, my dear student. Today we'll start a new chapter, Advanced Features of Excel. Okay. So, what do you see on a screen? Different types of chart. You may have seen there them in newspaper, in TV channels. I'm right. Even in maths, you create columns and bar chart. Now, in way today, we have learned how to create chart in Excel and how data can be present in the form of chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Okay, so this is called a chart. Now I will tell you components of a chart. In component of a chart, y-axis, this is our y-axis or we will call the value axis is the vertical axis used to plot the value, and it is located on the left side. And this is a category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. Clear? Y-axis and x-axis. Now I will tell you what is chart title. It describes the aim and content of the chart. Like in axis title, in x-axis, look here, student name will be shown, and y-axis is this is axis title. Clear? Next is plot area. What is plot area? Plot area is a window within the chart area. What is this? This is a plot area. It contains the actual chart itself, include the data series, category and value axes. X-axis and y-axis also data series. Clear? This is a plot area. Next is here you can see Amit is a red color and Tia is a yellow color. How you can see the column used in chart? This is a column chart. What is this? This is a column chart. Clear? In data series we can include multiple data series in a chart. So this is a now chart title. It describe the content of a chart. Like we can write the chart name like this is a bar chart, or if you want to enter the column chart, so we can define the column chart. And in chart area include all the areas and object in the chart like plot area, data series, legends, axis title, x-axis and y-axis. These we all include in chart area. Have you understood about chart area? We can include in which grid lines also. Grid line, these can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. This is called a full is your chart area. Okay, and we can include in which grid line. Now commonly used charts like column chart, line chart, bar chart, pie chart and donut chart, these are the commonly used chart. And with the help of chart we can now first is column chart. What is column chart? It display data in a form of vertical bars. In column chart, category represent horizontal. Example, x-axis, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay, and y-axis represent vertical axis. Clear? In x-axis like student name, and in y-axis we can define vertical axis in like 0, 10, 20. Okay, with value. This is the column chart. Clear? In this column chart, we can represent the student performance in x-axis and y-axis. Next is bar chart. In bar chart, difference between column and bar chart in which your rectangular bars are displayed. In column chart vertical and in bar chart your rectangle. It display data in the form of rectangular bars that are placed vertically or horizontally. In bar chart categories are represented on vertical axis, that is y axis. But we have covered column chart. In column chart your category represent in x-axis. Now in bar chart your category represent in y-axis and value your x-axis. Clear? So this is the difference between column and bar chart. Look here, in column chart your category define in x-axis and in bar chart your category define in y-axis. And what is this? This is your line chart. In line chart it is the form of lines. It is quite similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its value on the x-axis and y-axis. In लाइन चार्ट इनमें क्या होती है, आपकी लाइंस डिफाइन होती हैं और पॉइंट्स गिवन होते हैं. पॉइंट्स के थ्रू हम लाइंस चार्ट बनाते हैं. क्लियर? लाइक आपका आई विल गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. अनुज का 60 मार्क्स हैं तो 60 पे पॉइंट होगा. देन वी विल मूव द नेक्स्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ पाई चार्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? This is a pie chart. This chart display data in a form of circle that is divided into a series of segments. Okay, and these segments show the relative size of each item in a chart. Clear? पाई चार्ट में क्या होगा, आपका एक सर्कल होगा और सर्कल आपका डिवाइड्स होगा मल्टीपल वैल्यूज में. एंड डोनट चार्ट, इन डोनट चार्ट आपका in donut chart where all the marks and data series shown into a different circle. Look here, in donut chart different circles are there, so your data will be visible according to this circle.